Hey, welcome back. Today we learn conditional statements. Many times our program needs to take different actions based on some conditions. For example, let's say we want to find if the user is old enough to vote or not. We know that for this, a person has to be 18 years old or more. Now, our program has to behave differently if the age is below 18 and if the age is above or equal to 18. To write a code for this, we use if-else statements. We use the if statement to check for a condition. Now, if this condition is true, we execute the code inside the if block. And if it isn't true, we execute the code inside the else block. Now, there are two things to note here. You see some space before the print statements? This space is called indentation. Okay, the code that you want to execute when a condition is true should be written after giving an indentation. Also, you should always end your if and else statements with the colon. These are the rules for writing conditional statements. That's it with this video. Happy coding!